have volunteers from the community.
Meghalaya Power Minister A.T. Mondal claimed that the North-Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited Neepco has requested the government of Meghalaya to scrap 500 megawatt thermal power projects, the MOU which was signed between the government of Meghalaya and Neepco. Stating that NTPC Limited acquired Neepco, the minister said the version given by Neepco as well as the NTPC is that Neepco will now enter into a green and clean energy. The power minister admitted that there is ever-increasing demand for power in the state. Therefore, the state government is looking forward to enhancing the generation capacity.
And the version given by Neepco vis-a-vis NTPC is that now Neepco will enter into only green and clean energy projects. Then there is another group also, DS group or something like that. They also wanted to have, but only thing is that because of the NGT ban and all these things, all the private power producers and also other entities, they felt little bit not comfortable that whether after implementation of this project, these coal linkages will be easy or not.
Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo on Monday